Just want to do a video right now just to show the RaceDeck floor that I put in the one-car garage that I have at my house. Went together really easy, not too bad. They're pretty thorough with how they send the product and all that stuff. I haven't really tried the jack stand yet on it. I need to make some plates to go on it. I think it could possibly dent, but I'm not sure. But overall, seems to work good, looks good. We'll see how it holds up. And yes, I do race out of a one-car garage. Not sure if any of you other guys out there are doing it on a budget, but one-car garage, enclosed trailer, concrete pad to work on the cars, 2003 dually, older 2500 HD, gas job, open trailer for the wife's car. Nothing fancy here, but it all works. Put down in the comments if you guys got anything else you guys do that's budget minded. I'd like to hear it. You know, everybody can go to the track and finance their future to go racing, but it's always cool to see the lower operations making it happen.